Ever wondered how developers flawlessly share code and collaborate on projects across the globe? Let's dive into connecting your local Git repository and a remote GitHub repository, the crucial step for version control and cloud-based storage, all in under 2 minutes. First, you'll want to navigate to GitHub and create a new repository using the New button. Here, you'll choose a repository name, add a brief description, and decide if it's a public or private project with the choices made. Click on Create Repository. Now, GitHub provides you with a repository address, a URL you'll need to connect your local repository. It's located at the top of the repository page. Copy this URL. Next, switch to your local machine, open your terminal or command prompt, and navigate into the directory of your existing project. Before we can sync this project to GitHub, we first need to initialize the project as a Git repository using a simple command. After completing Git init, all your project files and folders must be added to a local Git repository using Git add. This step adds all changes to Git staging area, where you can then commit your changes into a local repo, the changes with the command provided on screen, and commit those changes. Run git commit m followed by a short message describing your changes. This does not save your local changes into a remote repository, but adds them to your local staging area. Now the moment of truth. Use the command git remote at origin along with your repository address, the URL you copied from GitHub. This command tells your local Git repository about the remote GitHub repository. Finally, push your local changes to GitHub with git push origin main, and there you have it. Your code is now synchronized with your GitHub repository. You can now collaborate and back up your code. Remember to check your GitHub repository page to see your uploaded files.